Hey, this will be a video chart on CNUV, very popular chart the past couple of days. Today we had some pullback action consolidation, and I had a bunch of people kind of wondering, is this the end of things, or is this okay? Basically, what's the chart looking like after a red day today? And the easiest way to answer that question is kind of twofold. One, you have to define your strategy. If you're a day trader, and you bought somewhere up here, you bought on the break of the 200-day simple moving average, you should probably already be out by now. But if you're in this for the longer term play or maybe a longer term swing trade, then the chart's still fine. I know nobody wants to see red days, but when things happen like happened today, there's nothing really to panic about. So I know that was kind of a broad statement when things happen. So what are those things? Well, the first thing that happened was, yes, it was red, but when you look at volume, it was less than the breakout day. Had this volume bar been a lot bigger, then that would be something to kind of worry about. But any technical analysis book you look at is going to tell you that on pullback days you want to see volume decrease, and that is what happened today. The other thing was, it wasn't any sort of violent pullback either. Sure, it was down some, but it didn't even come down and test the important support level down here at the 50-day. So on that note, what I want to do is map out a couple support levels. The first one being exactly where it found support intraday today, which was at 0.0023. I'm going to leave this line skinny because yes, it is a support level, but I'll call this one the ideal support level, meaning ideally this would be the level you want to see hold. The more important level of support comes from the previous highs here, and you will notice also that it essentially matches right up with the 50-day simple moving average, which is a very important moving average. And this level here is right at 0.0019, so if you want we could call it 0.002, but this is going to be the crucial support level, meaning if this move yesterday had true genuine strength behind it, then this level down here should have no problem holding. If it doesn't, then something's just not right anymore. But to be all the way up here, and then if the price were to pull back here, if this were a genuinely strong move and people felt bullish about it, then everybody's going to be chomping at the bit to try to pick up shares down on this level, if it even does go down there. And besides that, let's just keep from a technical perspective. It comes down here, bounces around before heading back up. This set of lows that it would have formed is higher than this set, which is also higher than this set, so when we would connect them, we would be able to draw the uptrend line, and that's the name of the game. We want uptrends. So these are going to be the two key levels of support. Resistance wise, kind of twofold. We have this level right here, which is exactly where the price bounced off of today. If we go back here and look at previous highs, you can see that here the price tried to get through this level, and then right here 3 days in a row the price tried to get up through this 0.0033. So 0.0033 really seems to be like the key level of resistance right now on the chart. As past history has shown, there's the bulls have tried to get above it before but have had problems. And then also we have the orange line here, which is the 200-day simple moving average valued at 0.003. That's going to be another level of resistance, but given what the chart's telling us, it looks like this 0.0033 is going to be the key level of resistance to get through. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free, no strings attached. We've been making some good money together on our alerts, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was CNUV. Thanks for listening.